You and breaking your fast. Thank you so much, Iqra, for hosting. Thank you to both of you for hosting. It's just fantastic to be here in Mississauga. This room really filled up quickly, and it's a real testament to the leadership in this room. And if you, as you said, you were trying to prove that Mississauga Erin Mills has what it takes. Time after time, event after event, this community proves that you are united, you are together, you are focused, and you are diligent on contributing to the community, standing up tall for your community, and supporting great leaders like Iqra. I never shy away from the opportunity to thank Iqra for being a great friend and mentor to me. You may have been only 29 when you got elected, but you were a leader on day one, and it's really been so fantastic to be able to serve with you. So, Charles, we worked together a little bit when you were the minister in charge of the Pan Am Games, and that added so much to our province. So I want to thank you for your leadership and welcome you to the House of Commons. It was awesome knocking on doors with you, and you've been an incredible MP. And Shafkat, I'm going to hand the mic over to you. My brother just sits right behind me in the House of Commons. It's great to see you, my friend, and Ramadan Mubarak.